Hey guys, I'm Chouchou from the Design Sketchbook blog. I'm very happy to welcome you in Roppongi in Tokyo today. And I'm going to share with you a super good tricks to change your mindset as an aspiring designer, which I was doing when I was a student myself, is that we are going to bring everywhere we go some papers or sketchbook, but especially a ballpoint pen with us, and carry on taking some notes every day, and which is what is going to be impactful for your daily inspirations. So see you for the next step. There is a big misconception that we had when I was a student is that we believe that sketching, about drawing, have to be perfect, but I will show you that actually when you're product designers, the biggest part of it is when you do some sketches that are more like ugly doodles. This is how I call them, and this is the one that are giving you the most of the values because you are extracting the ideas, and this is what you should do as a designer, is that most of them are not going to be pretty sketches or beautiful one, but more like extracting ideas that you can take in the streets or in the shops or anywhere you go, and this is what we are basically going to do. Hey, I found some great product to sketch. Let's go there. Alright, so we are now in the shop and I'm going to get a bit of information about the product, which is about this bag. すみません。あなたのこれはいいです。
ありがとうございます。
いくらですか？
これが一つこういう値段でスティングレイ、オーストリッチがあるんですけど、値段が違うんです。東京で。で工程が150工程数が150個。
There's a great tip actually when you go to the shop is that it's not only about observing things but also asking for some information to the sales staff, because they know a lot about this and they can tell you the story about the products, where is it made, and some specificities about it. And I'm very glad that they allow us to have a quick demo of sketching right here. It won't take more than just 1 minute to sketch this bag, which is pretty interesting. And yep, so let's start. Okay, so I'm just getting some draft papers that I have right here, and just have a ballpoint pen that I'm drawing, which is purposely not regular pencil with erasers, because when you want to take some notes you have to be quick. So our bag is right there, and this is where you can actually just get a quick sketches of it, just to remember that one. And when we want to get super fast, you just have to draw like these furnitures which is on it, and then you can just quickly sketch it in that way, and just remembering like the different element of it, and this is what you want to remember. And as you can see, you just quick sketch everything details from general to details, but you don't want to go into too much information into it, just as being not photorealistic but just as an idea. And it's super like as a rough sketch, just getting the general shapes, but you can also get some smaller details, which is right here of the systems, which is actually opening in that way, more like a belt, which you can be interested in. So maybe you just want to redraw it. And what is fun is that when you are sketching, you don't have to do in the angle that you see it, but also in the way that you can more communicate on it, which would be more into this angle, for example. That's it, because when you are quick sketching, you can turn the things from different angles. And what is cool about ugly doodles that we are doing here is that even if you are sketching something which is super rough, your brain is going to make the connections. And all this information is that you are just feeding your memory of forms and of functions, which as designers is actually more like a treasures, I would say, that you're building yourself, and which is cool because this is what is going to make you more different from any other designers, because you're getting the choice of getting inspired by what you like and what you want, and building your own data, your own library of forms and functions. Alright, so that's it. It's just quick doodles like that. It just takes like 1 or 2 minutes, and then you can carry on with all the details and other products that you are getting. Alright, so I know that we don't always have some paper with us, but at least I really recommend you guys to always have a ballpoint pen with you. And I'm going to show you another technique which is pretty simple, is to draw on a receipt. So this bag is actually interesting me right here, and which is pretty cool. And what I would like to show you is that it's pretty fun to draw on a receipt actually if you don't have any paper with you. This one is pretty small. Maybe we can see if we got a bigger right here. So what you need to do before sketching here is that you already envision the strategy that you're going to use. And basically this is just a big block with a handle right here and another block which is attached to it. And this is what you're going to draw. It's just like doing this thing here. Here we go. And just having like the main proportions on the doodles. And what is cool is that when you draw on a receipt, that is force you to go to the essentials of the ideas, and you don't waste a lot of time on being more hyper realistic, which is a great exercise to just grab the overall shape of it. Alright, and here we go. Here's the contour line, and that's it. So this is what you have from your receipt, and here we go. You got a lot of surface, and this is what you can actually carry on drawing and bringing some more information into your sketches. Alright, so I hope like you guys really enjoyed these tips for today, and I would like just to mention that it's really important whenever like you go, whenever you just bring your pen with you, take some notes. This is a really important data for you guys as a designers and a daily routine. And I hope to see you guys for the next videos. And don't remember to subscribe to the channels, and also download the designer starter kit if you want to get started for your first step in design sketching in the link below in the description of these YouTube videos. And see you for the next one. Bye bye.